The tiny black and white squares around you are far smarter than they look. QR codes are everywhere now. People scan them to pay for food, enter concerts, connect to Wi-Fi, download apps, and open restaurant menus. Most people never stop to think about what's actually happening during that 1-second scan. But the strange part is this: QR codes can still work even when they're scratched, partially covered, bent, or dirty. That's not accidental. QR codes were built with an incredible amount of engineering hidden inside a very simple design. These tiny square patterns are actually one of the most efficient communication systems ever created for everyday use. They transfer information from the physical world into the digital world instantly without typing a single word. If you enjoy learning how ordinary technology quietly controls modern life, subscribe to Simple Things Explained, because this channel breaks down complex systems in a way that actually makes sense. QR codes were originally created for factories, not smartphones. QR stands for Quick Response. The technology was invented in 1994 by the Japanese company Denso Wave, part of the Toyota Group. At the time, factories depended heavily on traditional barcodes to track products and automotive parts. But regular barcodes had serious limitations. They could only store a small amount of data because information existed in one horizontal direction. Denso Wave engineers needed something faster and more powerful. According to Denso Wave, QR codes were designed for high-speed reading and greater storage capacity than standard barcodes. Instead of using only horizontal lines, QR codes store information both vertically and horizontally. That single change allowed QR codes to store thousands of characters instead of just a few numbers. This is why QR codes look like square grids rather than striped supermarket barcodes. The large corner squares help scanners instantly recognize the code. One of the most important parts of a QR code is the 3 large squares placed in the corners. These are called finder patterns. When a smartphone camera scans a QR code, the software first searches for these patterns. They help the device determine the exact orientation of the code in milliseconds. That means the QR code can still work upside down, tilted, rotated, or even printed on curved packaging. This made QR technology far more practical than older barcode systems that often required careful positioning. Dedicated QR scanners are still widely used in warehouses and retail stores because they can scan damaged codes and reflective screens much faster than most smartphone cameras. Portable Bluetooth QR scanners have also become popular online among small businesses managing inventory and deliveries. QR codes translate visual patterns into binary information. Inside every QR code are tiny squares called modules. These modules represent binary data, the language computers use to process information through ones and zeros. Black modules may represent a 1, while white modules may represent a 0. The scanner captures the image, analyzes the arrangement of those modules, and converts the visual pattern back into usable information. That information might be a website link, payment details, event tickets, passwords, or contact information. The system also includes timing patterns and formatting information that help scanners read codes accurately even in poor lighting conditions. QR codes can survive damage because of mathematical error correction. One of the most impressive parts of QR technology is error correction. QR codes use something called Reed-Solomon error correction, which allows scanners to reconstruct missing data. This means a QR code can still function even if part of it is damaged or covered. Depending on the correction level used, some QR codes can still work even when nearly 30% of the code is missing. That's why companies can place logos inside QR codes without destroying their functionality. This balance between storage capacity and durability is one reason QR technology became so successful worldwide. Smartphones transformed QR codes into a global technology. For years, QR codes existed mostly in factories and shipping systems. Then smartphones changed everything. Once phones gained high-quality cameras and built-in scanning support, QR codes suddenly became accessible to billions of people. Apple added native QR scanning to iPhones in 2017, and Android devices quickly followed. Restaurants, transportation systems, digital payments, event tickets, education platforms, and businesses rapidly adopted QR systems. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this even further because companies needed touch-free interactions. Menus became digital. Payments became contactless. Forms became scannable. Modern QR systems now depend heavily on smartphones staying charged, which is why magnetic power banks and compact fast-charging battery packs became some of the most purchased phone accessories online.